So in this video I'll be showing you to make a chorizo omelette, a chorizo scrambled egg omelette, or you can say just scrambled egg with chorizo, a touch of green chili, ginger. I'll put some kale into it and then serve on a toast bread, or you can serve on a sourdough bread. So first start with slice of butter, let's say 15 gram, ginger 7 gram or 1 teaspoon, saute for a minute. So now you can see the chorizo is nicely cooked. The outside is slightly crispy but inside is juicy. You can see the fat is more than what we started, because the fat from the pork, the chorizo will come out as well. But keep it, that is nice flavor. You don't have to do anything. If you don't want to put the butter also, you can just saute from dry pan and the fat from the chorizo will be good enough to cook it. So now I'm adding some green chili. The chorizo already have a spiciness, but if you need a bit more kick, slice green chili. And now I'm adding some kale to it. Ensure you wash it. That's it. So don't cook it too much. So I want the color and the crunchiness of the kale. So just saute. So at this stage I'll keep some outside, like a few pieces, just for the garnish, before I'm putting the egg in it. Okay, now I'm adding egg. This is 4 eggs. So I use 2 sausages, let's say 200 grams of sausage and 4 eggs. So 4 eggs also gives you 200 grams, because 1 egg is average is 50 grams. So if you want to make an omelette, use a flat pan and fold it up. But I want to make a scrambled egg, so I can just break it. And meanwhile I can toast the bread. If you have sourdough, use it. That's good one. And you can sell these ones in your cafe if you're running a cafe. So now the egg is done. If you want to add salt, you can, but check it first, because the chorizo has salt. You have a neat touch of salt, then it's good to serve. So for now eating the bread, I use normal white sliced bread. Just cut into half lengthwise and then join it so it just fit in the plate, otherwise it look too big. And now spoon the egg with chorizo and everything on the top. If you can place it on the top, it's well and good. It looks nice as well. Okay, that's good enough for a portion. So now I'm placing some chorizo and kale that I took it before. So that gives a color, extra crunch. And now some of the oil you can keep when you cook the chorizo. So just drizzle it on the side. So that's good to go. Your toast with chorizo scramble. A nice, amazing Spanish inspired breakfast.